How to create grass in Blender, very simple and easy. First, you download the grass image like this. Now open Blender, press Shift-A, add a plane, and increase the size whatever you want. Now go to the Material option, click New, go to the Shading option, and now import your grass image. Color to base color. Now go to the Layout option, select the plane, and go to the Particle option. Click the plus icon. Click Hair option, set emission number to 2500 and hair length to 0.1 meters. Now click Children option and select Interpolated. Then, click the Roughness option. Increase the endpoint minimum and random minimum. Now your particle setting is ready. Add a light. I use Area Light with power 200. Now the grass ground looks like a very simple plane. I want it to look like a mountain. Go to the Modifier option, add a Displace modifier. Press New, and click the texture type to Image or Movie, then choose Clouds. Now increase the size. If there is no reaction in the plane's Displace modifier, it's because the plane is not subdivided. Select the plane, go to Edit Mode, right-click and choose Subdivide. Set the number of cuts, I use 50. Now go to Object Mode, adjust the displace size whatever you want. Then go back to Edit Mode, select Vertex, click Proportional Editing and adjust as needed. Now add a camera, Ctrl-Alt-Numpad 0 to set your scene view. Then add an HDRI, click World Properties, click the yellow dot, select Environment Texture and click Open to add your HDRI. I use Polyhaven HDI. Now the HDRI is added. Go to Render Properties and turn Transparent on. I use a model from the Blender Kit add-on. Set your model in the scene. Don't forget to save your file. Now your grass is ready. I hope this video is very helpful to you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.